I make a lot of videos for work, and I'm always trying to up my production quality of those videos. Now, I'm no professional, so usually I look to sharpen my own skills to up that production quality, but at some point I am limited by the camera equipment I own, and that's exactly why I decided to design this. Well, what's this? It's a DIY camera slider. And a camera slider is a device that videographers use to capture buttery smooth shots as this slides along the rails. So come with me today as I show you how the 3DEXPERIENCE platform helped me design this DIY camera slider. Of course, before putting this camera slider together, I had to model it to make sure that all the parts I had lying around the house would be enough. So I got to work using the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. I could model the parts in Xdesign, which is a CAD solution hosted entirely in a web browser. This allows me to model my part using whatever device I want. PC, Mac, iPad, smartphone, yeah, really any device. Modeling only the parts I had around my house, I was quickly able to assemble my components to see if I had enough material to make my camera slider. Being the handy person I am, I put it together, and I knew exactly what needed to get assembled, and I didn't rely on any other helpful features like exploded views or measuring tools. Just to name a few. Finally, I can pick which color I think is best. I really love it when a good DIY project comes together. I was able to make a DIY camera slider for a fraction of the cost, and now I don't have to go out and spend hundreds of dollars for, a piece of equipment that I'm only going to use a couple times. So if you yourself would like to see how you can unlock design freedom in the cloud on any device from anywhere at any time, then why not try it out with a 7-day free trial of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.